Hi there. I'm on a mission to find the best deals on groceries. Mind if I tag along with you? Sure, no problem. Always good to have a shopping buddy. What's on your list? Well, I need the basics, fruits, veggies, and some protein. What about you? I'm looking for ingredients for a new recipe I want to try. It requires a bunch of spices and specialty items. Have you been here before? Oh yeah, I come here often. They usually have good discounts on bulk items. Let's start with the produce section. Great idea. I love the smell of fresh fruits and veggies. What's your favorite fruit? I'm a sucker for strawberries. They're in season now, so they should be reasonably priced. Perfect. I need strawberries for that recipe. Let's grab a few packs. What about vegetables? Broccoli and carrots are always a good choice. Versatile and healthy. Agreed. And they're easy to prep. Now, on to protein. Chicken or beef? Chicken breast is my go-to. It's lean and can be used in so many dishes. How about you? I think I'll go with beef this time. I'm making a hearty stew. Nice. Let's check the meat section. Oh, look at these deals on chicken breast. Buy one, get one free. That's a steal. I'll grab a couple of packs. Now, let's find the spices. Do you know where they keep those? Yeah, it's usually in aisle 7. Follow me. By the way, have you tried the store's brand of spices? They're surprisingly good quality and cheaper. No, I haven't. Thanks for the tip. I'll give them a shot. Do you need anything else? Just some milk and eggs. I think the dairy section is just around the corner. Great, I need milk too. Looks like we're on the same shopping wavelength today. Well, it was nice shopping with you. Enjoy your cooking, and maybe our paths will cross in the aisles again. Definitely. Have a great day and happy cooking to you too.